The Revelstoke real estate market is heating up, and this is why you need to act now. The people who are wanting to buy property in Revelstoke and don't actually move ahead and purchase something right now are going to have a massive case of I coulda, woulda, shoulda. I don't know how many people that I talk that have gone there skiing, or even the locals who said, oh yeah, I thought about buying 5-10 years ago, but I held off because I thought prices were going to come down. Where now, you know what I mean? You're kind of eating your words, where with the market where it's at right now, Revelstoke is still one of the most affordable ski towns to live in all of British Columbia. And I can guarantee you, with the new development going on, all the expansions that are coming in place, this is not going to be like this for much longer. So if you're someone that wants to buy property in Revelstoke, even if you're looking at retiring and moving there in 5 to 10 years from now, if you get in today, you're going to generate an absolute ton of wealth through real estate and a massive amount of equity. This can be life-changing in terms of how much wealth you can generate with real estate in Revelstoke right now. So you need to listen up to this video and take my advice seriously, because I'm going to help you retire richer and help generate wealth through real estate. What's going on? It's Russell Mortlock here with The Real Broker. I'm a licensed real estate agent in British Columbia. So if you're looking to buy a property in Revelstoke and are hunting around, I got the 3 best investments that you can currently make in Revelstoke. So drop the comment down below saying home, and I'll send you what the current best investments are to make in real estate in Revelstoke. I'm also selling a majority of the new construction projects that are happening in Revelstoke. So if you're someone that's interested in new construction and wants a beautiful brand new home that's well designed with modern finishings and all that stuff is appealing to you, well, you're going to want to reach out to me directly, because I can give you exclusive access, discounted pricing, and potential upgrades in these developments, get you into these projects early before they actually go on sale to the general public. So if that's something that's interested for you, you want to go into the description, you can book a call directly using my calendar link, and I can get you access to all those projects before anyone else. And if you're someone in Revelstoke that's looking for a legal suited property, I got an absolute amazing development that's coming up that's going to be 4-bedroom townhouses with a legal suite in the basement. These babies are going to be cash flow positive. They're going to be bringing in a ton of rent, but they're even an amazing option for people who live locally, where they can cut down their expenses to live by either renting out the upstairs or renting out the suite. So if you're someone in Revelstoke looking to purchase a suited property to help assist with the mortgage and pay it down, well, you want to reach out to me directly, because I got access to the best investment that you're going to be able to make in Revelstoke that has a suite in the basement. The Revelstoke real estate market is very unlike any other market that I've analyzed before or been a part of. The current months of inventory is sitting around 20 months, which means this is an extreme buyer's market if we're going off the statistics on the absorption rate of how many homes get listed and sold. So when we see a balanced market is right around 6 months of inventory, this doesn't favor buyers or sellers. And when you get below 6 months, that starts favoring the sellers. And when you get above 6 months, that means it's in favor of the buyers. With 20 months right now, we're definitely in an extreme buyer's market, and this is not going to last long in Revelstoke, especially with all the good snow that we've been getting there this year. Sales seem to really turn up when that happens. So if you're looking to buy a property in Revelstoke right now and you want the 3 best real estate investments that you can make, drop a comment down below saying home, and I'll send you all the details. People are really going to eat their words if they sit on the sidelines again for another real estate market cycle. With the growing popularity of Revelstoke, it is going to explode. And for the main reasons, there's no other ski town that is like Revelstoke in terms of what it offers. Number one, their prices are still very affordable comparing it to other ski areas, where we see the average home price coming in around the $748,000 mark. This is extremely way cheaper than some of those golden places that people go and ski on a regular. Or for people that relocate there just to enjoy the beautiful outdoor nature, or all the locals that have already grown up there, they know exactly how the real estate markets evolve, and it's still just on the cusp of what's going to happen. Number 2 is how close it is to the ski hill. I don't know how many people I talk to say they just love Revelstoke on the simple fact that obviously it has the most elevation out of any ski hill in North America and rated one of the best ski hills in all the world, but for the simple fact of how close it is to town. I don't know how many people, if you go to Big White, Lake Louise, any of these other places, if you want to just go skiing, you have to make an entire day trip of it. So you're driving 1 to 2 hours to get there and then 1 to 2 hours back, where if you might be tired after the afternoon, you feel like you got to keep going. Depending on where you are in Revelstoke, you could be about a 2 to 3 to 5 minute drive to the ski hill. So if you want to go up in the morning, come back in the afternoon and do your thing, or go up in the afternoon and do all that, you can, because that's what the ski hill offers you. And number 3 is it gets all the heat for being the best place to go to in the winter, but my personal opinion, I like the summertime there even better. It is one of the most beautiful landscapes that you can be around in terms of all the mountain biking, the hiking, just how beautiful and lush the trees are out there. It really is a hidden gem for the summertime. So if you're looking to purchase some property in Revelstoke, and if you want access to all the new construction projects projects that I'm selling where I can get you discounted pricing, upgrades, and first access to the best floor plans, well, you're going to want to schedule a call directly with me. And if you're a real estate investor looking to invest into the Revelstoke market, drop a comment saying home, and I'll send you the 3 best real estate investments that you can currently make in Revelstoke. And if you're someone in Revelstoke that's looking for a legal suited property, I got an absolute amazing development that's coming up that's going to be 4-bedroom townhouses with a legal suite in the basement. These babies are going to be cash flow positive. They're going to be bringing in a ton of rent, but they're even an amazing option for people who live locally where they can cut down their expenses to live by either renting out the upstairs or renting out the suite. So if you're someone in Revelstoke looking to purchase a suited property to help assist with the mortgage and pay it down, well, you want to reach out to me directly because I got access to the best investment that you're going to be able to make in Revelstoke that has a suite in the basement.